Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain why the Romans left Britain. The Roman Empire was under immense pressure, facing constant internal conflicts and barbarian invasions across its vast territories. This forced them to make difficult decisions about where to allocate their limited military resources. Consequently, legions were progressively pulled out of Britain to protect more central and strategically vital areas of the empire. Britain, being a distant province, became less of a priority and increasingly expensive to maintain. Imperial instability played a significant role. Several Roman generals, such as Magnus Maximus and Constantine III, launched bids for imperial power, taking substantial numbers of troops from Britain to the continent. This left the island severely underdefended. Simultaneously, raids from Saxons, Picts, and Irish tribes grew more frequent and destructive, overwhelming the remaining local defenses. Furthermore, economic decline and a reduction in trade made Britain a less profitable and more burdensome province for Rome to maintain. The final break came around 410 AD. Emperor Honorius, facing overwhelming threats in Italy, sent a rescript to the cities of Britain, instructing them to look to their own defenses. This message effectively signaled the end of official Roman rule and the permanent withdrawal of Roman military forces. Without central Roman administration, the established tax system and governmental structures in Britain quickly disintegrated, leading to a period of significant change and localized control. After the Roman departure, urban centers and public infrastructure, once hallmarks of Roman rule, began to decay without maintenance and funding. This power vacuum led to the rise of local leaders and the eventual formation of various Anglo-Saxon kingdoms, fundamentally reshaping Britain's future. The Roman legacy, however, persisted in many ways, influencing language, law, and culture for centuries. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.